Gold against US dollar this week has risen in value. The week started with this bullish candle at the support level at 2878. The price continued to rise in value on a Tuesday, forming a bullish breakout, indicating further rise in value, and this is something that I've shared with the traders inside the premium analysis with the potential targets when the breakout happens. We can see that in the several 3 days, the price has reached the target to 2950 and bounced it down from this area and stopped at the support level at 2930. And we can see 3 days has been indecision candle, which means indecision on the market. But we can see there was also a bullish strength, but also a bearish strength with these wicks. Weekly time frame shows us a bullish candle. It is a continuation of the previous week, a bullish candle, and we can see the price stop at the resistance level at 2950. Monthly time frame shows us also a bullish candle, so there is nothing too much to say here. It will be probably a bullish month, but we have 1.5 weeks until this month closes, so we'll see how the month will close. But let's go to the daily time frame, which has much more clear information, because on the upside in front of the price there is no resistance level on the monthly and also weekly. There is something on the daily that we can also show here. So first of all, the next resistance level that needs to be broken is this one, 2950, a round number, and also we can see a confluence of resistance for the price right here. After that, we need to see, will the price manage to make a bearish breakout going below 2930, or it will form a bullish breakout going above 2950. So this is something that we need to watch closely, and this is something I will share with the traders on the 4-hour time frame and especially 1-hour time frame inside the premium analysis, so they are informed. During this week you can also check the statistics, how the price has, and also how the premium analysis has done, how profitable was this week for different symbols. But for now, what I can see, currently waiting for the price to go outside of this indecision range area, because it will be also information where the price could go further on in the future, and also what will be the targets. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see there are several levels above what are the targets for the price if the price managed to make a bullish breakout above this area 2950 resistance level. First of all, it will be very hard because the price has reached this area of resistance, a confluence of resistance, because it will be very hard to go further on, but the next levels will be 2971 and then 3000 as a round number as a psychological level. So these are the targets if the price managed to make a bullish breakout. But remember, if the price goes down and makes a bearish breakout, we can see that the first level will be 2911, which will be shared with the traders inside the premium analysis, and especially 1-hour time frame when this breakout happens. If you would like to join, check the link below in the description. You can also join. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.